All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be adding integers. So the joke for today is this: why do elephants have wrinkled knees? I hope you're already hating these jokes. Here we go. So with adding integers, we actually learn a song to make our lives a lot easier. A lot of people teach number lines and things like that, and those are useful, don't get me wrong, but this song helps us trigger things a little bit quicker. So here's a song, the adding integer songs, and this just works for adding integers, okay? We'll talk about how we make that work for subtracting, but this works for adding integers. It's not multiplication and division, it's just adding integers. So here we go. Goes like this, and normally I play guitar. I don't have my guitar with me, but here it is. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the bigger one, you'll always be exact. So that's the song, and let's talk about it. On this right here, remember in the song it says same signs add and keep. This 5 and this 2 are both positive. That's a positive 5, that's a positive 2. Since they have the same signs, they're both positive, we just go ahead and add 5 and 2 and we keep it being positive. So it's going to be 5 plus 2 is 7. The sign was positive, so it stays positive. That's same signs add and keep. On this next one, it's negative 5 plus negative 2. They have the same sign. That's a negative 5 and a negative 2. They're both negative. So they're same signs add. We add the numbers. 5 plus 2, that's 7. We keep the sign. The sign was negative, so we keep it. It's negative 7. Then on this one, a negative 5 plus 2. This is a negative 5 plus a positive 2. Those are not same signs. Those are different signs. So the song says different signs subtract. So we're going to actually subtract the quote-unquote bigger one. We're going to take away the signs for just a second. Take away the sign just for a second. And then you have a 5 and a 2. The bigger one's 5. The smaller one's 2. So you do 5 minus 2. So you do 5 minus 2. That's going to give you 3. And then it says take the sign of the bigger one, the quote-unquote bigger one, okay, without the signs when you're looking at it. Which one's bigger? Well, 5's bigger without the signs. So you're going to take the sign of that, which is negative, and throw it on there. It's a negative 3. Then you come over here, you have 5 plus negative 2. Well, that's a positive 5, that's a negative 2. That's different sign subtract. So you're going to go ahead and subtract these two. 5 minus 2 is 3. The quote-unquote bigger sign, the 5 is bigger than the 2. The sign with the 5 is positive, so this is a positive 3. So that is how we do that. That's how we utilize the song. When you guys look at longer problems where it has more than just two numbers, you just go from left to right, and we have 12 plus a negative 5. We look at this first. That's different sign subtract. That's positive 12, negative 5. So we do 12 minus 5 is 7. The bigger sign is positive, so that's a positive 7. Then I still have plus negative 4 over here. So that's different sign subtract. We do bigger 7 minus 4, which is 3, and the bigger sign is positive. My answer is positive 3. I come over here on this next one. It's negative 6 plus a negative 8. That's what I look at first. In this case, negative 6 plus negative 8, that's same signs add and keep. So you have 6 plus 8, that's 14. We keep the sign being negative. Then I have plus 12 over here. Now we have a negative 14 and a positive 12. That's different sign subtract. So if you do 14 minus 12, that's going to give you 2, and the bigger sign is negative. So that is a negative 2 right there, and that would be your answer. All right, so that should give you an idea of how to go about doing these things. The joke for today was, why do elephants have wrinkled knees? It's from playing marbles. Duh, come on, guys. It's from playing marbles. Didn't you know that one? Guys, have a great day.